AWS CloudFormation Description Infrastructure as Code Tool. Prerequisites: AWS account. User with appropriate permissions. Use cases: deploying and managing AWS resources. Automating infrastructure provisioning. Version controlling infrastructure. Steps: define infrastructure in a template. Create a CloudFormation stack. CloudFormation provisions resources. Monitor stack events and status. Challenges and fixes. Stack creation failures. Check template syntax. Validate resource permissions. Stack update issues. Use change sets for previewing changes. Handle dependencies between resources. Resource limitations. Use resource quotas. Consider scaling strategies. Security vulnerabilities. Implement security best practices. Use AWS security services. Cost optimization. Monitor resource usage. Utilize cost-effective resources. Monitoring and logging. Configure CloudWatch alarms. Use CloudTrail for auditing. Version control and rollback. Use Git for template versioning. Enable stack rollback on failures. Cross-account access. Use roles for delegation. Configure trust relationships. Data migration. Use AWS Database Migration Service. Plan data migration strategies. Disaster recovery. Implement redundancy strategies. Use AWS Backup for data protection. Troubleshooting and debugging. Use CloudFormation logs. Analyze stack events. Testing and validation. Perform unit testing on templates. Use AWS Code Build for automated testing. Best practices. Use descriptive names. Follow naming conventions. Document templates and stacks. Use parameterized templates. Employ modularity and reusability. Leverage CloudFormation capabilities. Use AWS CLI and CloudFormation console. Monitor stack events and status. Analyze stack outputs. Use CloudFormation for resource lifecycle management. Integrate CloudFormation with other AWS services. Implement security best practices. Use CloudFormation for disaster recovery. Use CloudFormation for automation and orchestration. Consider using CloudFormation for infrastructure as code in detailed explanation.